Hi, hey guys, it's KodyBodVlogs, and today's another day. My little brother's sleeping, so shh. Let's go. Let's see what's going on upstairs. Yeah, the battery should be here on Friday. I think we got a sunrise going, so I'm gonna show you. I wonder if there's a way we can somehow. Let's see if the dogs are out. There's Bandito. Hey, Bandito. Hey, Bandito. Come here. Bandit. Bandito. I don't want to pet you, Tigger. Bandit. Come here. Tigger, buzz off. Go. Get Tigger. Come here, Bandit. 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 Okay, I can't pet. Hold on. I can't pet Bandit because Tigger always hogs the Love Express train. So yeah. I think I know where to go to see if the sun's coming up. Never mind. So I'll be right back with you guys. So it looks like we won't get a sunset or sunrise today because the clouds are covering it. So maybe a sunset tonight. Anyway, I got a couple of things coming in the mail today. So yeah. Well, see you later, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, it's KodyBodVlogs, and my package came. I ordered a Xbox One game and Ethernet cord. So when I download some, hold on a second. There we go. Anyway. I ordered a game, so I'll have something to do until new games come out. So yeah, I ordered this awesome game. You can probably see it. Ah, yes I did. I love that game. Well, I've seen the trailer. It looks good, but I'm gonna play it soon. Anyway, yeah, I ordered that one. It's installing right now, and ordered an Ethernet cord, so because I'm trying to think of either to download Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2 when it comes out or buy the physical copy. I don't know. Hopefully this Ethernet cord does really good. So yeah, it's installing now. It's still at 0%. That one game, that Sunset Overdrive game, that's a fun game. I've seen the trailer and everything. So yeah, I might play it during the time because the batteries should be here on Friday. So yeah, and I might play Minecraft after I'm done with this little bit of vlogging, and maybe catch up with you guys later. I don't know. I just woke up again. I don't know why, but I usually like taking naps and everything. Didn't record that much today. It's just I'm so tired. Well, I'm not used to getting up at 7, so yeah. Well, I'm gonna go, guys. See you guys later. Game's still installing. It's at what percent is it? 51%. Doesn't really show that much right now. Campaign's not in it. I just tested it, and it just shows the like what a demo would show, kind of like at Walmart or something, like what the game's about and everything. So yeah. Oh, my eyes were just so dry. Yeah, so yeah, the game is almost installed. Probably after I play it a little, I'm gonna move it to my external hard drive. So I can get some more games in it. Cause I've like, it says right now on my Xbox One I have like 22 or 29.2 complete or percent on the internal. So yeah. So while we're going, I might go see what's going on. So yeah. As you can tell, it's cold in my room, so I'm wearing that. What was that? I heard something. Where's mine? Oh, there it is. It was just my dad. He said hello. So, BRB, I'm gonna say hello back to him. Hey guys, it's KodyBodVlogs, and this is the last clip for tonight because I'm kind of running late on this vlog. So, yeah, just watching Wheel of Fortune and played a little bit of Xbox One. So I'm gonna edit the vlog, then upload it, then play some Minecraft. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace off. Thanks for watching today's vlog, guys. Click the subscribe button if you want to see any more videos like this one. Click the mystery button if you want to see a mystery video that I have on YouTube. Click the last vlog to watch yesterday's video. Click the 3 channels that you see on screen to go to my other channels. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.